So, it is an international English language testing system powered by ITP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of candidate number 111205, name Jagjeevan Singh. So, shall we start?
Sure, ma'am.
What is your full name?
My full name is Jagjeevan Singh.
How may I address you?
You may address me by my first name Jagjeevan.
Okay, Jagjeevan. Where are you from?
I am dweller of city Mandi Govindgarh, which falls in district Shri Fatehgarh Sahib. Moreover, my city is famous for steel and iron industry.
Okay. Are you student or working?
Recently, I passed my graduation and now I am preparing myself to clear international English language test to go abroad for my higher education.
Okay. What is your study stream?
I passed my graduation in last stream and I read a lot of laws in my study.
Okay. What are the positives of study instead of work?
Study if we are doing study, it's we can become more sufficient and we can do work in a smart way and we are enhance our knowledge.
Okay. Now let's talk about breaks. How often do you take a break?
Oftenly I am in my weekends I take breaks and during my schooling I take breaks in the afternoon.
Okay. What do you usually do during a break?
In my breaks I prefer to read some books as well as eating my breakfast and eating my lunch.
Why do you need to take a break?
Because it's important for our health and it provides the relaxation from busy schedule.
Do you prefer to take a long breaks or several short breaks?
I prefer to several short breaks rather than a long breaks because long break when I take long breaks I felt boring.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some question. You have only 1 minute to look at the question. You can use your paper and pencil to make some notes and you have to speak 2 minutes for that topic. Your time starts now. Okay, so you may start now.
Sharing is the important part of our life because it's improve the bonding of each other. Usually, I prefer to sharing vehicle as well as books and some electronic gadgets. Here, I would like to talk about share a notes. Recently, I shared my notes with my friend because he lost her notes as well and he called me to and he told me her problem, and I put my all efforts to share her problem, and I xerox my notes as well, and after that I shared notes with my friend.
Okay, so it is the end of part 2. Now I'm gonna ask you some questions that are related to sharing. What was the last thing you remember you shared with something?
Last month I shared my some notes with my friend, and I felt very happy because it's give me happiness.
What is your opinion on sharing?
Sharing is an important part of our life because it's improve our bonding as well as providing relaxation to the mind as well, because if we share something with others, it's a rule of nature.
Okay. How do you explain sharing and caring to a child?
We can share some toys to the child as well as improve our bonding as well, because child are best.
What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
I think the drugs are major concern, which is not sharing with each other because it's not good for the society.
Is technology a hindrance to the virtue of sharing?
Sorry, ma'am.
Is technology a hindrance to this virtue of sharing?
Yes, technology is changed the things of sharing because we can share our conversation through the mobile electronic gadgets.
Okay, so this is the end of our speaking session.